Do you often find yourself struggling with red, irritated eyes? Whether it's from long hours of staring at screens, lack of sleep, or environmental factors, persistent eye redness can be bothersome and affect your overall well being. Thankfully, there's a solution that has captured the attention of millions of Americans: Lumify. In today's fast paced world, many people find themselves battling eye redness caused by long hours of screen time, lack of sleep, or environmental factors. Fortunately, Lumify, a popular over-the-counter eye drop, has emerged as a go-to solution for millions of Americans. In this video, we will explore the top 10 facts about Lumify. Fact number 1. The purpose of Lumify. Created by the brilliant minds at Bausch & Lomb and approved by the FDA, Lumify is like a magical elixir that banishes redness from your eyes. Its secret weapon? Bromonidine tartrate, a fancy ingredient that does the impossible. It constricts those pesky blood vessels in your eyes, giving you a clearer and brighter appearance. Fact number 2. Normal adult dosage. Now let's talk about the proper dosage of Lumify eye drops. Remember folks, we're not talking about the more the merrier here. The recommended dosage is actually quite straightforward. Just 1 drop in each affected eye, up to 4 times a day. Now I know what you're thinking. Only 4 times? Can't I just keep squeezing that bottle like it's a stress ball during a board meeting? Well, my friend, moderation is key. The folks at Lumify have done their research, and they've determined that this dosage provides optimal relief without going overboard. Plus, it's always a good idea to follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer. They're the experts after all. Fact number 3. Maximum adult dosage. Sure, it's tempting to douse your eyes in those magical eye drops all day long, hoping for an extra boost of clarity, but let me tell you, it's not a wise move. The normal dosage is 4 times a day, and that's where we draw the line, my friends. Exceeding that limit and going Lumify crazy can result in some not-so-pleasant consequences. We're talking about potential adverse effects and discomfort that'll make you wish you had stock in the recommended dose. So remember, while Lumify can work wonders, it's all about finding the sweet spot between relief and going overboard. Your eyes will thank you for it, and you'll avoid any unexpected eye-raising experiences. Fact number 4. How to use Lumify. Using Lumify is a piece of cake. Well, maybe not the actual cake, but it's definitely easy peasy. First things first, wash those hands of yours, my friend. We're all about cleanliness here. Once your hands are squeaky clean, it's time to tackle that Lumify bottle. Remove that cap, revealing the magic inside. Now here comes the fun part. Tilt your head back, as if you're gazing up the stars. Or your ceiling, whichever works. With a steady hand, gently pull down your lower eyelid. We're creating a pocket here, people, not a kangaroo pouch. Just a little cozy space for our precious Lumify drop. The upside-down venture begins. Flip the bottle over and slowly squeeze out 1 magnificent drop into the pocket you've crafted. Remember, we're aiming for precision here, so let's not get carried away and flood our eye like it's monsoon season. Once the drop is in place, it's showtime. Blink, blink, blink away. Give it a few blinks to make sure the solution covers every nook and cranny. And voila! You've successfully applied Lumify like a pro. Fact number 5. Dosing and dosing interval. When it comes to using Lumify, patience is key. I mean, we all want those red eyes to vanish in an instant, but hey, good things come to those who wait. So don't be tempted to go all eye drop frenzy and douse your eyes in Lumify every few seconds. Give it some breathing room. Wait a solid 10 minutes before each application and let those magical drops work their wonders. Now, I get it. Waiting can be tough, especially when you're staring at the clock and your eyes are still screaming red alert. But trust me, my friend, patience pays off. You see, excessive use of Lumify can actually backfire. It's like trying to binge watch an entire season of your favorite show in one sitting. Sure, it might sound tempting at first, but after a while, the effect starts to diminish, and you're left feeling a bit disappointed. Fact number 6. Common side effects. While Lumify works its magic in vanishing eye redness, it's not entirely without its quirks. Like in a good hero, Lumify has a few side effects up its sleeves. Nothing too serious, just one mild mischief. You might experience a touch of eye redness, a hint of eye irritation, a dash of eye itching, or a sprinkle of dryness. But fear not. These side effects are usually short-lived and bid farewell on their own. No medical intervention required. However, if these pesky effects decide to overstay their welcome or bring along their rowdy friends, it's time to don your healthcare professional cape and seek their guidance. After all, it's better to have an expert on hand when things get a little too wild in the eye department. Speaking of healthcare professionals, if you want to learn more about the list of questions you should ask your pharmacist, we've created a book just for you. Link down on the description below. Fact number 7. Contact lens wearers. If you wear contact lenses, it's important to remove them before using Lumify eye drops. You can reinsert your contact lenses 15 minutes after applying the drops. Avoid wearing your lenses if your eyes are still red or irritated after using Lumify. Fact number 8. Precautions and safety information. Now, while Lumify is like a trusty sidekick for battling eye redness, it does come with a few rules, but with a few limitations. Lumify is not meant for the little people under the age of 5, so let's keep it out of reach. And if you're a mom in the making or nursing, it's always wise to check with your healthcare provider before including Lumify in your eye care arsenal. Lastly, if you have any conditions like severe heart or blood vessel disease, Lumify might not be the right fit for your eye-saving adventures unless your trusted healthcare professional gives you the green signal. Safety first, even for the bravest of eyes. Fact number 9. Long-term usage. Lumify is intended for short-term use to relieve temporary eye redness. If you experience persistent redness or other eye-related issues, it is crucial to consult with an eye care professional. They can determine the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatment options. Fact number 10. Combining Lumify with other eye drops. It is generally advised not to use Lumify in combination with other eye drops unless directed by a healthcare professional. If you are already using other eye medications, consult with your doctor or pharmacist before introducing Lumify to your regimen. Lumify has become a trusted ally for many Americans seeking quick and effective relief from eye redness. By understanding its usage, dosage, application techniques, and potential side effects, individuals can make informed decisions about incorporating Lumify into their eye care routine. Remember, if you have any concerns or questions about Lumify, it is always best to consult with your healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance. Now, a quick question to you, our dear viewers. Do you use Lumify? For a more comprehensive understanding of this topic, please see the description box. We provide a list of the top 10 questions to ask your pharmacist when picking up your medication. This is not an all-inclusive list, and if you need more information, check out the link below. Welcome to Dr. Vivian Medications and Natural Supplements. Our channel is dedicated to providing valuable information on health and wellness that's made by a licensed professional. Times are crazy and it's extremely important to be well-informed and taking care of yourself. If you enjoyed watching, please help us out by liking this video. In this way, we will know how well we're doing. And if you like more of these, consider subscribing and hit the bell notification to stay on top for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.